Hello and welcome to CarLube TV. In this episode I will show you how to top up the coolant on your BMW 3 Series. Please subscribe and browse the channel for more how-tos. Although my car is an M3, the process is exactly the same throughout the ranges from 2006 to 2013. First off, pop the bonnet, or for my American viewers, the hood, with the lever under the dash. Unlatch the bonnet. Locate the expansion tank. Here it is. Warning, never open the cap if the car is running hot, otherwise it might cover you in boiling water. Turn the cap counterclockwise whilst exerting pressure downward. You can see here I'm wearing gloves. This is because antifreeze is acidic. What we can see here is the level float. As we can see here on the diagram, the float should be poking out of the tank when the correct level of fluid is reached. Mine is running a little bit low currently. You should not mix coolants on BMWs, so I purchased some BMW blue fluid. This can be mixed 50-50 split with de-iodinized water. I didn't bother in this case as I was just topping up. Using a funnel, place it in the tank, leaving space so that you can see the float rise. Never use plain water in your expansion tank. Over time, it might corrode all the aluminium parts and obviously could freeze up during the colder months, which is not good. Keep filling until you can see the red float rising an inch or so out of the top of the tank. There we go, perfect. Be careful and make sure you don't drip coolant over the car. We can now see the correct level has been reached, with the float about an inch above the tank. It's always worth giving the threads of the tank and the cap a quick clean to make sure it's easy to remove next time. Please don't forget to like this video if it helped you and consider subscribing. And that's all there is to it. Pop the cap back on, make sure the two arrows match up, and the job is done. See you on the next video. In this episode, we're once again at the H-Town Classic and Dub Club monthly meet. Link to their Facebook page below in the description. We've been to a couple of these meets in the past. In this short video, we will show you how to install an ABS speed sensor on a BMW 3 Series. Although the car here is my M3, the process will be almost identical for the whole of the 3 Series.